Room with EXP, and we have my friend here.
I'm Carol Alexander with EXP.
Yeah, we have a great open house today, and thank you to our sponsor. We're going to do a draw right now, and whoever wins, we're going to call you, and you can have it. We had a $50 gift card with Starbucks from Sarah One Prem Lending, and you can call her for the $15,000 for this house for first-time home buyer. Or people buying this house may qualify for it, depending on your situation. You may qualify for $15,000 down payment assistance for free for this house right here. And we have you can do like zero down, 100% loan, depending on your situation. Call her for free or inbox me. I gave you her phone number for a free be qualified for the house. So.
Give me a draw?
Yeah, let's go do a draw real quick and see who would be the winner here first.
Okay. This one right here.
Oh, Tony Tang.
There we go.
Yeah, right here. So Tony, that's for you.
All right.
Second thing, who we gonna
The
win?
next gift card is for what? What's the next gift card
This
for?
next gift card, this is from Safe Energy Solution with Kevin Yee. And we have a website here like CSESinfo.biz. You can go to his website and find out more about the he do like air seal. So go to his website and you get all the information over there.
He's got some wonderful videos for clients to watch, future clients to watch as well. And he'll be glad to answer your questions about the quality of the air in your home. Okay, so the next drawing is this person here. There's not one on it? Okay.
No.
We'll do another one. Here we go. This one here.
We have it right here. Frederick Carr.
Okay.
So Frederick Carr, we're gonna.
We'll get in
give
touch with you and get you
yes.
your gift card.
Okay. Well, thank you.
Thank you for a wonderful open house, and thank you to all of our sponsors for sponsoring everything that we've been able to do for our clients here in Collierville, in Cordova, and I appreciate it.
Thank you. Bye bye.